Hi friends, good morning. In last lecture, we have discussed some multiple, its prefix and its symbol. Again, myself Eji sir from Sambed School. Welcome all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the mass and difference between the mass and weight. Mass and weight. What is the difference between mass and weight? એક વાક્ય ગુજરાતીમાં હું તમને એવું કહું કે દળ અને વજનમાં શું ફેર. તમે એવું સાંભળ્યું હશે કે અવકાશ યાત્રીઓ અવકાશમાં ઉડતા હોય, ગ્રેવિટેશન પુલની આઉટસાઇડ જાઓ એટલે તમારું વેટ ઝીરો થઈ જાય, માસ ઝીરો નથી થતો, તમારું બોડી એમનેમ જ છે. વેટ અને માસ both are the different thing. So weight and mass is, how can we differ? So mass means what? Mass of the substance is amount of matter present in it. Amount of matter present in it, that is called mass. Mass of substance means amount of matter present in it. દાખલા તરીકે આ સબસ્ટન્સ છે, આનું મારે માસ જોઈતું હોય તો આમાં કેટલી એમાઉન્ટમાં સબસ્ટન્સ છે એ પ્રમાણે મને એનું માસ મળે. While weight is what? Weight is the gravitation pull. On the substance. So gravitation pull is change from one place to another place. On earth, gravitation pull is very high, while in sky, if we go out of gravitation pull, then we can fly easily. So there is some difference to be understood also. Mass is the amount of matter present in the substance, while weight is the gravitation pull exerted on the substance. This is the main difference. We are having analytical balance in laboratory, and analytical balance will measure the mass of substance, because very small amount mass of substance are given in laboratory, because in very small amount of substance containing so many atoms and molecules. So this is the main difference between mass and weight. Now we are having derived SI unit, derived unit from SI unit. Density having not SI unit, but we can derive the unit of density from SI units. So unit of density equal to SI unit of mass upon SI unit of volume. SI unit of mass is kilogram, and SI unit of volume means it is meter into meter into meter, means it is meter raised to 3 meter cube. So density unit will be kilogram into meter minus 3 power. This is the unit of density. This is derived unit, it is not SI unit. Density is unit derived from the SI unit of mass and SI unit of volume. Fraction value of kilogram is gram and fraction value of meter is centimeter. So we are having small unit of density is gram into cm inverse 3. This is very most important to be understood. So now you have cleared the unit of density. I am sorry I have asked this unit in your test and so many students could not give the answer because this topic was not clear. I have not taught you. Don't worry, marks is not important, but your understanding of chemistry is very most important. So kindly excuse me. Now there are some unit which we are using in daily life. Suppose we are going to petrol pump, we are demanding 5 liter, 2 liter petrol. So again liter is the liquid, petrol is in liquid form and liter is not also arrived SI unit, but we are using in daily life. So let's compare the value of liter related to centimeter and decimeter. So 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter equal to 1000 cm cube. Because it is related to volume, so liter small value ml, so meter small value is cm, and it has the volume having meter raised to meter into meter 3 times meter cube. It is big unit, so small unit will be semi into semi into semi, means it is semi cube. So 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter equal to 1000 semi cube equal to 1 dm cube. Means what? Then 1000 semi means what? Okay, 10 cm into 10 cm into 10 cm means it is 10 cm means what? 10 into 10 into 10 means it is 1000. Cm into cm into cm means it is cm cube. 10 cm equal to 1 dm. So it is 1 dm into 1 dm into 1 dm. It means 1 into 1 into 1 means 1. dm into dm into dm means it is dm cube. dm means decimeter. 10 centimeter equal to 1 decimeter thigh. So it is comparison with liter, not SI unit. 1 liter equal to 1000 ml equal to 1000 cm cube equal to 10 cm into 10 cm into 10 cm means 1000 cm cube. 10 cm equal to 1 dm, 10 cm equal to 1 dm, 10 cm equal to 1 dm, 1 into 1 into 1 means 1, dm into dm into dm means dm cube. So 1 liter equal to 1 dm cube or 1 liter equal to 1000 cm cube or 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. Very most important. Sometimes sums are asked related to this unit. Now we are going to discuss about the temperature. So temperature having 3 different units. Temperature having only one unit, that is the Kelvin. Kelvin is the SI unit, we all know that. But temperature is used, or measurement of temperature is used. It may be measured by Kelvin, it may be measured by Fahrenheit, it may be measured by degree Celsius. So what are the relation among the Fahrenheit and degree Celsius and Kelvin? Let's have discussion. So Fahrenheit, degree Fahrenheit equal to 9 upon 5 into degree centigrade plus 32. This is the equation. In your book there is not given 32, there is 3 only, but it is 32. So if you have the value of degree 5 and want to find out Fahrenheit, you just put the value 5 over here, you will get the value of Fahrenheit. As for example, 9 upon 5, degree value we have assumed it is 5 plus 32. So 5 cancel, 9 plus 32 means it is 41. Means 5 degree value having Fahrenheit value 41. So you are given the value of degree Celsius, you can find the value of Fahrenheit. You are given the value of Fahrenheit. With the help of this equation, you can find out the value of degree Celsius. Same way, there is also some comparison with Kelvin and degree Celsius. So Kelvin value is Kelvin equal to degree Celsius plus 273.15. So if you are having given 5 degree and you are to be asked the what is the value of Kelvin, so you put over here 5 value of degree and want to find out the value of Kelvin, that will be 278.5. means 5 degree value having Kelvin value 278.5 means it is 15. 273.15. Round digit is also taken 273. So these are the relation between Fahrenheit and degree Celsius and between Kelvin and degree Celsius. Value of degree Celsius is minus possible, but value of Kelvin is minus not possible. Kelvin value will never minus, because any value is taken minus, but Kelvin will not taken minus value. You are given in your textbook. So this is the chart. Fahrenheit equal to 9 upon 5 into C plus 32. You have to remember this equation. Value of 5 degree you are given. Find out the value of Fahrenheit. Put over here 5 cancel, 9.32, it is 41. We have find out the value of Fahrenheit with the help of degree Celsius. You are given the value of degree Celsius. You want to find out the Kelvin. Just put this equation. Put the value 5 over here in place of degree Celsius. 5 plus 273.15 means 278.15 means 5 degree. You are given value and want to find out the value of Kelvin. The value will be 278.15. Degree Celsius value minus is possible, but Kelvin value minus is not possible. Kindly you make yourself 5 example yourself. You take different value of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and find out the value of Fahrenheit. Again same value take over here, find out the value of Kelvin. You just make practice. So we are finishing our lecture over here. Kindly repeat, kindly continue. Thank you very much.